Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a tool for loading mullions to the project. So before we had this program called LoadMullions, which basically creates mullion types from our profile families. LoadMullionsDB is the tool I'm going to show you. And it's basically the same as LoadMullions, except for it loads from a GenNotes file for your project. So I'm in a test project right now. I'm going to load in some mullions from this GenNotes file. So you just select the GenNotes file, and then you're going to get this table of all the profiles from a table in that GenNotes file. And you can check these checkboxes here to pick which families you're going to load into the project. You can set the offset and angle for each different family. And then there's these little boxes up here that give you more options for changing multiple families at the same time. So for the offset, if you hit selected, it's just going to change the selected rows that you have. So say if I put -1 here for the selected, it'll change just the ones that were selected. Or if you do all, it'll change the offset for all of them. I'm just going to change it back to -2¼ inch. Selected, so you just change those. Oh, did I type that wrong? I did. Okay. And the angle's the same exact thing. But I'm just going to load in a couple families to show you. So I'll just load in these two. It's only going to load in the ones that are checked. So load details, yes. And successfully loaded 2 mullions. If we go over to the kernel mullion families, these mullion types, as you see, have the 2 1/4 offset. And we have the profile assigned to the profile parameter and this keynote parameter. And basically you're good to go. You have new mullion types. That's how you use the tool. Thank you.